Now Foods, Sports, MCT oil, vanilla hazelnut, 16 fluid ounces, 473 milliliters. Product overview description. Weight management thermogenic supports a healthy body composition non-GMO, a dietary supplement, vegetarian, vegan, GMP quality assured. Medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, are fats that are naturally found in coconut and palm kernel oils. They're more easily and rapidly digested than other types of fats. MCTs are readily absorbed from the GI tract and are metabolized very quickly by the liver, where they are reported to encourage the use of fat for energy rather than for storage. Numerous studies suggest that substituting MCT oil for other fats in a healthy diet may therefore help to support healthy weight and body composition. Suggested use. Shake well before using. Take 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, daily. Other ingredients. MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides, and 1% natural vanilla hazelnut type flavor, hazelnut free. MCT oil from coconut, palm kernel oil. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. MCT oil has naturally occurring fatty acids caprylic acid, C8:0, and copric acid, C10:0. Warnings. Caution, for adults only. MCT oil may cause GI upset. To reduce this effect, take with food. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Contains xylitol, do not feed to pets. Refrigerate after opening. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Storage guidance: store in a cool, dry and dark environment in tightly sealed original container. After opening, product can be refrigerated or stored at cool room temperature. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.